You're not gonna go away like the others, right? You're gonna stay here with me. I love you. Did you hear that? I said I loved you. What? Why won't you answer me? I'm here, okay? I'm here, right here in front of you. Look at me! Why are you doing this to me? You're my wife now, okay? We're gonna be so happy together. We're not just gonna be fucking playing around! I'm here, okay? Just, I'm here. And you're here. You're not going anywhere anymore. See? You're my new one. You're not gonna disappoint me like the other ones, are you? No. You're not, see? You're there. And here. Here. Please. Please, just be with me. Please.